People need to be very cautious about knowing for sure who they're dealing with when they're online. There's a great distinction between companies or businesses or people that contact you and companies and businesses that you decide to contact. A higher degree of safety if you have picked a company that you're familiar with, a store that you're familiar with, a chain that you're familiar with, and you go to their online service as opposed to an email or a pop-up or something that you get on your home computer offering you a really good deal. The latter is something you need to be very cautious about. When you do deal with a company that you're familiar with, you should check to see what their privacy code is, what their policy is, make sure that it's a secure website, look for the little lock on their website, and make sure that your information is going to be secure. The credit card, when you give the number, can have a much higher ceiling than you have money in the bank. The debit card is at least limited to the amount of money you have in your bank account at the time. Neither one of them is a number that you want to be careless with. Both of them need to be secure. When you give that number, you'll have to give it when you make a purchase. But my offhand guess would be the debit card would be safer. We get the total area of complaints to our Consumer Protection Office is over 13,000. We've gotten 66 complaints so far this year specifically on charity fraud, and the highest complaint area that we get is computer fraud. And we try to get as much information as we can from the victim. We try to get return phone numbers, addresses, websites, and things of that nature. We've gone as far as Canada chasing down one of these fraud artists, but a lot of them are not even in continental North America. A lot of them are scams from Nigeria or from the islands in the Mediterranean, and those are really difficult. The best way to do it is to keep from being defrauded in the first place. The likelihood of getting money back is usually pretty slim. It's a little higher in things like home repair fraud and things of that nature. But a computer fraud where you don't know for sure where the person is, the odds of getting somebody's money back are very slim.